In front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening device's settings and choosing connection and sharing right away. Then hit print. Select the default print service or any other service you have and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't find your printer, you can enable the same service and this time use those three dots at the top right corner. Then hit Add Printer. If your printer has Wi-Fi direct printing option, use gray switcher next to it and hit Allow. Then tap on Find Wi-Fi direct printers and wait for your smartphone to find yours. You can also go back and tap on Add Printer by IP address. Input it here and then tap on Add to connect. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!